Hello mga kadudets, today's video ay crispy chicken with cheese whiz and yatos cheese. Umpisahan na natin. Here are the ingredients: 3/4 chicken, breast part ng manok, cut into cube, marinate with salt and pepper, after coated with cheese whiz, and pagulungin sa dinurog na yatos cheese and cornstarch, and fry with medium heat of oil. And this is the result. While mapapadami ka ng kanin, 1 more extra rice please.
Maraming salamat po. Huwag po kalimutan i-subscribe ang YouTube channel Goods TV with Chef Logo.